How's it going, ding dongs? I am taking the Nimbus on a little road trip from where I live in Illinois to Michigan. We're going to the lake house to close it up. We got a beautiful weekend. It's like 75 all weekend. Couldn't ask for better weather. Sylvia's driving the IM. I'm driving this car. So let's see how it goes. Putting gas in the SC, drove approximately 134 miles, and we put 6.6 gallons in, so 134 divided by 6.6, the SC, you see it, gets 20 miles per gallon. Not bad. I did lean out the mixture just a tiny little bit. It's at like 1.03 lambda when cruising, so yeah, let's keep going. We're like 5 minutes from the lake house. So this just happened. My fan plug just melted. See how black that is? Look at this fucking thing. Shit's fucking melted completely and burnt. So that's new. I should probably use better plugs. These are garbage. But here's my fix currently. Excuse the wind. I used house wire levers. Lever nuts, whatever you want to call them. Should be good. Let's get back out there. Thank you for watching this short little video, everybody. It was a bit random. If you watched the previous video, the drift car rally, I got a little lost in recording that, and I totally forgot to, talk to the camera at all during that weekend. So it kind of ended up being a random compilation of just little clips here and there. I got some big news, lots of new announcements coming. First of all, see all these little markers all over the car? Leave a comment if you know what those are for. Big project coming. Currently in the process of installing the oil cooler, so make sure you subscribe and don't miss that video because that's coming pretty soon. I have another car I'm working on, another video that's coming as well. So make sure you subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.
America. Do you have your passport?